The 11 volunteers who distributed letters urging people to be part of the Return Our Money campaign were arrested by police between Friday and Sunday.
Because we are targeting Ugandans. So Ugandans go to supermarkets, they go to churches. So they were simply giving out these letters. They are asked to write a statement, which many of them have done.
Now, police say they released the youth unconditionally because the complaints against them by some members of the public could not constitute or sustain a single charge.
We have not charged anybody for any offense. It was a process of establishing what the complainants were talking about.
The hard-hitting letter urges the public to take 6 actions, including, and I quote, demand that all MPs, including the Speaker of Parliament, return the 20 million shillings fraudulently deposited on their accounts. As long as they don't do this, they don't deserve the tag honourable and must be treated as such in public. End quote. And this demand does not end with a letter. By close of business on Tuesday, 7 civil society organizations will have filed a suit in the Constitutional Court, which could send another strong wave to Parliament following a recent ruling by the same court that ordered some 70 MPs out of the House.
So essentially we are looking at this issue of 20 million as being unconstitutional because the way it was paid falls outside the ambit of Article 85. But secondly, we think that by MPs taking that money and keeping it, it actually constitutes a breach of trust.
The civil society activists want this court to declare that the act of some MPs in accepting this money was unconstitutional and violated parliamentary rules. The suit is likely to draw a lot from Article 85 of the Constitution, which provides in Clause 2 that an MP shall not hold any office of profit or emolument likely to compromise his or her office. Government gave the 20 million shillings to MPs reportedly to monitor state programs. The Constitutional Court will interpret whether monitoring government projects is an MP's role.
But most importantly, we are seeking for consequential orders for the Constitutional Court to order the members of Parliament who have not paid back this money to actually pay it back to the Consolidated Fund, because we think
if this suit succeeds, the court could direct that all MPs return the money. Some MPs, especially from the opposition, have already returned the money, referring to it as a bribe. Leading civil society activists were by the end of the day working out a legal technique to ensure that they don't pay costs to the respondents, including more than 280 MPs in the event that they lose the case. Frank Walisimbi, NTV Tonight.